Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time it takes to mark an email as read in your Gmail. Now, this only works, guys, when you have the preview pane enabled because guess what? Once you have the email open, you're not able to have that view anymore. So what you want to do is first ensure that you have the preview pane enabled. And a very quick way how to enable the preview pane is if you look to the upper right hand side, you will find, let's say, a toggle, let's say split pane. You can click on that and it's going to bring up the preview pane. Or another way is to click on your settings on the upper right hand side and you want to look towards a section that says reading pane. Ensure that you have the reading pane enabled, right, and it's not set to like no split, but you have it set so that you can easily have the preview pane. So whenever you click on emails, you're able to preview that email content. Now I'm going to show you what's going to happen, and before I do, I'm going to explain what's going to happen so that you get the idea what you should look for before I show you how to make those changes in the settings. So if I click on an email, guys, you will see immediately that once I click on the email, it doesn't get marked as unread immediately. It takes a couple of seconds before it goes to read. And you can see that right there, right? Now, how do you change this? I'm going to go ahead and just put it back as unread for the moment. How do you go ahead and change the timing of this to either immediately or for a longer period of time if you so desire? It's very easy to do. Now, what you want to do, you want to click your settings on the upper right hand side, click and see all settings. Now, under your generals tab, you want to scroll down, guys, and you will find a section that says preview pane, mark conversation as read, right? So mark conversation as read. You see that for me, it is currently set to 3 seconds, and I can change this to maybe, I don't know, 1 second or immediately. Let's choose immediately, right? And once you do that, you go to the bottom of your page and simply click on save. And then once you go back to your inbox, look what's going to happen. If I click on this email, immediately it changes to read. Immediately it changes to read. And that's it. So you can change the timing of this, right? It's a small little feature within your Gmail. But if you want to have this feature set, this is how you basically do it by changing that within your Gmail settings. And that's all there is to it.